During Meghalaya's observation of the Thomas Jones Day on the 22nd of June 2023, all government establishments and educational institutions across the state had declared a holiday as a mark of respect to the father of the Khasi alphabet. However, private institutions like banks and other establishments had remained open. This gesture had irked certain pressure groups who were prompted to visit the private concerns to shut them down for the day.
Kaliang dun ka HYC unyam sapil iron na mesin ka Sofia cuma kasi no kasi ka ba kasi buram kasi kapang kani ka ba buram ya Thomas John kalau permi ya kani tak kasi jongi te kaliang jongi jintep ba iron ki office ki bam buram ya kani kasi adrenyi lawan march ne ban khang tala kini ki office akan kasi rengkat kajing trailang kaseng pati jungi baro.